Welcome to Quick Math Problem Solver.
Ever grappled with a complex calculus problem, or a perplexing physics equation, or a baffling biology concept? Well, then you've stumbled upon a solution that's about to make your life a whole lot easier. Say hello to Quick Math, Math Problem Solver, an app that might just become your best academic ally. Quick Math is not just any problem-solving app. It's a sophisticated artificial intelligence-powered tool that deciphers math, physics, chemistry, and biology problems. It works like your personal tutor, but with an added advantage. It's available round the clock and fits right in your pocket. Here's how it works. Simply scan the problem you're struggling with. Quick Math's advanced AI will analyze the problem, break it down, and provide you with a step-by-step solution. It's like having a teacher guiding you through each step, ensuring you understand the problem-solving process rather than just the final answer.